subscribers, today we have another package.
Hi subscribers!
Oh, mommy to the rescue.
We have jigsaw puzzle reference. Wow, this is nice though. They have different combinations. I'm so proud of you.
I'm helping my sister.
Okay, so Daddy is helping Serenity out with her hexagon puzzle. Wow. Daddy's gonna be challenged. Say thank you, Rolimate, Daddy.
Thank you, Rolimate.
Patience.
Yeah, like that. Show it to mommy.
Nice. Did you do it?
This.
Yeah, but they're cool.
No, not the green. Get the green ones. Get the green ones for me. Yeah, that's right. Get the green ones.
Give Daddy the green one. Very good.
This one here. Give me this one.
These
This one right here. Just like that. Okay, now we have this green one, like that. Oh wait, no, it goes like this. Okay?
Okay.
And now we gotta do the red ones. Get the red ones. Okay, it looks like
Oh my goodness, you did it! Congratulations, Daddy and Serenity.
I sure wanted to do it.
Oh, Ati wants to do it too, Daddy, because she likes it.
okay. So try this one.
Ati's turn.
Yeah.
This one.
Which pattern?
This pattern.
Oh, cute.
So start with orange, the orange one right there. It has 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. So we put this one.
And
in the
baby
corner.
girl is doing her own
There you
thing.
go. That's the first one. What's the next color next to it? Blue. Okay. And then this green one. Where's that one go?
Honey, she's very good in making puzzles, you know that?
Mm-hmm.
They're next to the red.
She loves puzzles.
There you go. Wow, she's awesome. Look at her. Serenity is awesome.
I want that. The better? This is my bed.
What goes next to the dog bone? There you go. She did it. She's awesome. Good job. There you go.
Wow! Good job, Ate!
Next.
Dharma's doing another one. Oh my goodness. So amazing.
My channel, subscribe to my channel.